In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Temu in 2025. Whether you're looking to share your thoughts on a recent purchase or just want to help fellow shoppers make informed decisions, leaving a review is a beneficial way to engage with the community. Plus, it's quite simple, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to wu.emu.com. You can do this by typing the URL directly into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in. If you're already logged in, you can skip this part, but if not, locate the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your email and password to access your account. Logging in ensures that your review is properly linked to your purchase history, which helps verify your feedback's authenticity. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to your profile icon. This is typically found at the top of the web page, perhaps in the upper right-hand corner. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Your Orders. This section is your personal hub where all your past purchases are listed. Browsing through this area, you can quickly find the product for which you'd like to leave a review. Once you're in the Your Orders section, look for the specific product you want to review. There's usually a list with details such as the order date and status. Scroll through until you identify the right item. Once found, there should be an option to write a review beside that product listing. Click on this link, which will take you to the review page. Now, it's time to share your experience. On this page, you'll be asked to provide a star rating for the product. Typically, it ranges from 1 to 5 stars, with 5 being the best. Consider the product's quality, its utility, your satisfaction, and any other factors you think are important. After rating, you have space to write your comments. Feel free to elaborate on your experience, mention what you loved, any issues you encountered, and whether the product met your expectations. Having detailed feedback can be incredibly useful to others considering the same product. Once you're satisfied with your review, double check what you've written. Ensure everything is accurate and reflects your true experience with the product. When you're ready to share your thoughts, look for the Submit button. This is usually prominently displayed at the bottom of the page. Click Submit and your review will be posted, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of leaving a review on Temu. Sharing your experiences not only aids other buyers, but also contributes to the overall community on Temu. Thanks for watching.